let's take a look at how to utilize the Semrush Keyword Magic Tool. Now, if you don't already have a Semrush account, I'll leave a link down below where you can get signed up and utilize this tool for free for a period of time. But once you're in your account, if you go over to SEO here on the left side, you're going to see the Keyword Magic Tool. If you click on that, it's going to show this option where you can put in a seed phrase, essentially. It's just like a keyword that you want to know more about. So maybe we're interested in looking at like weight loss as an industry that we're going to be creating some content around. We can do a search for that. It's going to show us basically all the keywords that it sees as being related to weight loss. If we're writing blogs, for instance, maybe we're selling a weight loss product as an example. It's important to know what terms people are actually searching for. So that's where you're going to look at the search volume here in this column, and you can see how many searches per month are being conducted for each of these keywords. And this is just on Google. And then there's the keyword difficulty. This is also really important. And keyword difficulty it's kind of a measure of how challenging it's going to be to rank organically in the top 10 spots for the given keyword. So if you wanted to rank for something like weight loss, out of 100, it's going to be 100 difficulty. So it's basically as hard as it possibly can get to rank for a keyword like that. Whereas something like Kelly Clarkson weight loss is only a 38. Now, are you going to be able to sell a lot of stuff from this keyword? Probably not. That's why this keyword is so difficult, is because it has commercial intent, right? Which basically means that when people go searching for this keyword, they're looking for a solution and they're willing to spend money on that solution. So we can filter. That's part of what's cool about this Keyword Magic Tool, is we can filter some things down here. Like for instance, if we wanted to, we could say, hey, I want to just look at any keyword that has a 1 to 29 difficulty, keyword difficulty that is. And now we can see that there are, interestingly, these look like they are a lot of celebrities that are, people are searching for weight loss relating to celebrities. But you can find some in here like vitamin D3 and K2 weight loss, right? Maybe we want to go and write an article about this, showing people how you can utilize vitamin D3 and K2 to lose weight, or different workout routines like using a static bike or static cycling. As we find some keywords, we can add them to a keyword list, or we can just export them here and start building out a Excel file with all of the keywords that we plan to utilize for our SEO purposes. So that, there's all the best peptides for weight loss. There's all sorts of different angles that we can take here to provide some helpful content to people who are looking to lose weight or learn more about weight loss, etc. And some of these are, again, more informational in nature, where somebody's just like, hey, can you lose weight? Does a static bike work for weight loss? Whereas some of these are more commercial in nature, so best peptides for weight loss. You could potentially sell peptides when people are searching for that term, because they're actually looking for that solution, and it seems they're willing to pay money for that solution. So that is the power of the Keyword Magic Tool. I hope you did find this simple tutorial helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade in one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours, and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now, because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.